What if a small HVAC company could generate over $800,000 in net profit annually just by fixing a problem customers can't even see? Meet a 5-technician company in Louisville running 125 service calls weekly. They started using AC Flush, a proven repair system used by military and government facilities for over 25 years. With just a 20% adoption rate, they treated 87.5 tons of equipment weekly. At a 30% close rate, they generated $9,975 weekly. But something unexpected happened. As heat pump performance was restored, customer trust skyrocketed. Their close rate jumped to 50%, hitting $16,137 weekly. But the real surprise came next. Technician confidence doubled because they could prove results immediately. Customer retention rates doubled. Referral rates exploded. The invisible oil film removal created visible trust that transformed their entire business. What started as a simple repair became a growth engine generating systemic success far beyond the initial service revenue. Sometimes fixing what customers can't see creates trust they'll never forget.